Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to download an ebook or e-audiobook to your laptop or desktop computer from the Libby Overdrive catalog. So if you're starting at the Chicopee Library's website, which is chicopee.publiclibrary.org, you can click on the link ebooks and e-audiobooks in the right-hand menu. This brings you to a page that shows all the places that you can download ebooks from. For this example, we're going to go to the Libby by Overdrive catalog. That is the CWMars Consortium digital collection. So you'll start by signing in. So you want to select your library. We are a CWMars library. That is the network that the Chicopee Public Library is a part of. Then you'll type in your library card number and your library card PIN number. This usually defaults to the last 4 digits of your phone number unless you've changed it in the past. If you don't know your password, we'd be happy to help you reset it over the phone. You can call the library Monday through Friday between 9 and 4 p.m. and we'd be happy to help you reset it. So I'm going to click sign in. And now you're on the home screen of the Libby Overdrive catalog. So there's a few different ways to search for a book. If you want to browse, you don't have a specific title in mind, you can just click on subjects to browse by subject. You can browse by format. The Overdrive catalog has a nice magazine collection in addition to the ebook and e-audio collection. You can also search by what's currently available. If you don't want to be put on a wait list, you can search for new ebooks. You can search the kids collections, the teen collections, magazines. You can search most popular. But for today, I'm going to just do a search for a specific title. I'm going to search Sourdough by Robin Sloan, one of my favorite books right now. And so you'll see here, there's 2 formats. There's an ebook format and there's an audiobook format. It looks like the audiobook is available right now, but the ebook is currently checked out. So I would have to be put on a wait list if I wanted to borrow that. So for this example, let's click on borrow the audiobook. It's going to ask you how many days you want to borrow it for. There's an option for 7, 21, or 14 days. I'm just going to do 7 days for now and click borrow. So because I'm on my laptop or desktop computer and I'm connected to the internet, I'm just going to click listen now in browser. So you can just start listening right away. It's really simple. So if you start listening to it and you close out your browser and you want to go back to it, you'll just go to these little books up in the right-hand corner. And it's going to show you everything that you have checked out in your Overdrive account. So you can check out 10 titles at a time. If you wanted to free up space, you could return a title. You don't have to worry about returning items though, because they will automatically be taken off of your card when they are due. I'm also going to show you in the next video how to download the ebook or e-audiobook as an MP3 file. This is something you'd want to do if you're on your tablet or phone and you're not connected to the Wi-Fi. You could also download it on a computer or laptop if you are going to be disconnected from the internet. So I'll be showing that in the next video.